started. Choose a toothbrush with soft nylon bristles. Hard bristles can cause serious damage to your gums. Use a toothbrush with a small enough head for easy access to all your teeth. Consider an electric toothbrush. It can provide a more thorough clean in significantly less time than a manual brush. Squeeze a small amount, pea size, of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Choose a toothpaste with fluoride. It helps to protect your teeth. Brushing method. Place your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle against your teeth like this. Start brushing your front teeth, the upper ones. Sweep the brush downwards away from your gum line with soft strokes. Continue with the lower front teeth. Clean your teeth in small sections. Pay special attention to the gum line and ensure the bristles get in the spaces between the teeth. Ensure you do not press too hard because this could cause damage. Continue brushing with your molars. Place the toothbrush against the biting surface. Use a gentle back and forth scrubbing motion. Finishing up. Rinse your mouth and toothbrush with water to rinse away bacteria. Now that you've finished with your teeth, it's time to pay attention to your tongue and the inside of your cheeks. Use the toothbrush with a pea-sized amount of toothpaste to thoroughly brush your tongue and insides of your cheek. Rinse your mouth and toothbrush again. You can use a mouthwash of your choosing or antibacterial rinse for added protection. Tips. Proper brushing takes 2 to 3 minutes. You can use a timer to ensure you are brushing long enough. Change your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. Old toothbrushes don't work as well and can carry bacteria. Brush your teeth 2 times a day. Best time would be after eating.